So there's a little town of Tawau, as you can see, it's by the sea. We stayed here for a night. It's 7 AM in the morning right now. The hotel we're staying in is also very nice. It's called the Promenade Hotel. We're headed to Kuala Lumpur later in the day. We have an 11 AM flight.
Our flight left Tawau around 11 am. We landed in KL around 1:45 odd. We were staying at the Royal Chulan, Kuala Lumpur. It took us an hour to get there by cab. In the evening, we went out to explore the surrounding areas, and boy, were we blown out by the lights and the sounds. The highlight of the evening, of course, was Harneet getting a new phone, a Huawei Mate 20 Pro. And quite a few of these videos were taken on the new phone. I really like the quality though.
The famous Lot 10, there's a hutong, which is supposed to be a food court here. I'm looking for that place.
After buying the new phone, we explored the area some more, went to the different malls, took a lot of pictures with the new phone, and then we decided to call it a night. We went down for dinner first to a Pakistani restaurant called the Paradise Restaurant, very good food there. And then we walked back to our hotel for a very good night's sleep.
Hey, video to me record.
Ordered for a mutton paya and dal, roti. I've got myself in this side. And Harneet is bringing some chicken and some veggies. Probably it's rajma.